Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is John with Space City EDC, coming with you another SAK Saturday. And today we've got a Victorinox Rally. This is a little 58 millimeter, a real popular one for some people. This one comes with three, I guess you might call them blades or whatever. It's supposed to be 9 implements on it. And it's got the red cellular scales. Of course, it's got your tweezers, which are nice. You've got the toothpick, which pretty standard stuff for Victorinox. This one's got a little emblem on the back. I got this off of eBay at one time or another. Don't remember about how long ago, but I collect anything having to do with like aviation or whatever. So if it's got a company's name on it that might be from aviation, I'll go after it. But let's go through the tools real quick. It's got a main blade here, which is a big, I don't know, looks like it's about 1.5 inches long, maybe 1.75 inches from tip to tang, and then about 1.5 inches working surface on it. Got the, you look at it real close, I can get my camera to focus. It's got your Swiss, let's do it here, like this. Victorinox, some information there. Looks like Officer Swiss and things they put on their blades. I'm never not sure the blade steel for Victorinox, but these little knives are always pretty sharp when you get them. This also has a nail file. This is great for your fingernails and whatnot. It's got the little 2.5 little flat tip screwdriver on it. And a you can use it for a very light duty scraper. I mean, really light, you know, it's small, but great nail file. And it has the key ring, which of course they count that as one of the tools. Also has this combination tool, they call it, which has got the #1 Phillips with a wire scraper here, or stripper, I'm sorry. And you got your bottle cap lifter. And the thing about this screwdrivers on these that some people may not or may know is, let's see if I can demonstrate it here. They're magnetic. So they're great for picking up screws and whatnot, magnetic screws, and, you know, help hold them in place while you put them in their hole or whatever. But yeah, these are great little screwdrivers, especially for toys and whatnot around the house. Doesn't have the scissors, which, you know, a lot of people like the scissors. I like the scissors. The Rally, your classics, all those, they come with these scissors, which, you know, for some people is a must. However, the Rally this Rally does not have the scissors. You know, but this is 91 millimeter here. You see the big difference. And of course, if you're carrying one of these and you already have the scissors or don't have a need for the scissors, then this is a great little addition. But they're, you know, they're well made, and the weight on it is really light. It's 0.8 so it's not even a full ounce. Like I said, it's 58 millimeter, non-locking. All these are slip joints, so you got to be careful with that. But you know, really thin. You can see there. Great for your keychain or your fifth pocket. You know, they're just good little knives. I like Swiss Army knives. They're very, very good quality. I've carried them in different forms and fashions for probably, you know, over 40 years. Always seem to have one as short as long back as I can remember. But anyway, this is the one for today for SAK Saturday. This is the Raleigh. It's about $18 and still available off the website or, you know, Amazon or wherever you'd like to go shopping for it. And it's $18 on the Victorinox website. So if you're interested, good little useful tool if you don't need the scissors. Let's open it up one more time and take a look at this and let you guys check it out. But if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I come out with these about once a week or better, depending on how busy I am. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And hopefully I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care.